another love, another love. Oh, my tears have been used all on another love, another love. Oh, my tears have been used all on another love, another love. Oh, my tears have been used all.
Slicer puked up all of his food. Well, you guys tell me, because I gave him 3 inside sushis. So, do you guys think this looks like 3 inside sushis?
Before my lyrics turn to infamy, chopped it up with the infantry, while in the back, little children laugh and scream. Mama told us to hush, now just think of them dreams.
Because if so, we got a real problem on our hands. And I hate to do it to him, but Slice is here, and so is the bird. And we just got back from Walmart. I forgot to film Kumon too. But I will tell you that I'm gonna try to make you drink some water right now. As you can see, I got a little bird bath that I took. I forgot my soap! Cause I
Back in the beginning, before my lyrics turn to infamy, chopped it up with the infantry.
But truth is, it just attracting carbon from air, like a gas, and converting to little stars and suns, but so tiny atom size. You can imagine that?
I wanna take you somewhere, so you know I care, but it's so cold
Yeah. Dioxide actually, because double oxide. Anyway, it's no matter at this point. I mean, I trying to explain what leaf of tree exactly do, and we're not teaching this stuff in the schools.
Okay, so I just left all my stuff under the underpass and we gotta go now because I stole this headphones and I wanted to see if God was real. Josh. Woo! Let's keep the momentum going. I think we have to make it to the bathroom. And we were just at Sonic, so we'll ask for a free refill. Let's go, everybody follow me. Looks like we got company, Slicer. These boys are bad news. Wait, fuck. It wasn't a normal day. I don't know why it would be. It was my worst day ever, surely. And I dropped it in a hole right over there. Behind there where I sleep. And that's another reason why shit'll be different, because at the beginning of summer when I was here, or maybe that was the end of spring or whatever.
Good work.
Like,
Never run from a fight where we let up last night. I'm ready to never go gentle into the night. I'm telling you, like what the hell do I even know? I know that I die for you. I know I ain't in my bed, but I'm ready to. I've been running these laps for a long time. I've been running these laps for a long time. I was such a boy.
all I was like, how's your bird doing? I'm like, I gave him sushi. And she's like, he eats better than me. And then she smiled and she was like, stay safe. And I just was like, yeah. And